Hi guys, let's look at exercise C, which is 19C of the chapter mean and median. No new concept, basically a revision exercise. So let's get into the questions directly. Find the mean of the given data. Also find the new mean if each observation is changed. Okay. So for the mean, we'll first have to add them. So that's 8 plus 2, 10, 16, 18, 22. 2 to carry 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So that's 72. So mean will be equal to 72 upon total number of observations, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which means mean is 12. Now that's the original mean. Now, as per the question, in case the mean, each observation is multiplied by 3, that's one of the properties that we've done. If you increase the each observation by a number, the mean gets increased by the same number. If you decrease each observation by the same number, same thing happens to the mean, which is mean gets decreased. Similarly for multiplying, similarly for division. Therefore, new mean will be equal to old mean multiplied with 3. In this case, 12 into 3, that's 36. So that's the new mean. In this case, new mean will be equal to 12 divided by 2, which is 6. First multiplied with 3 and then divided by 2. So new mean will be multiplied with 3 divided by 2 into the old mean, which was 12. So this is 2 into 6. New mean will be 18. Good. Let's look at the next one. The next one is increased by 25. So new mean will be equal to old mean plus 25% of old mean. Increasing by 25, which means it will be equal to 1.25 multiplied with 12. That's 25% extra, which is equal to 15. Perfect. Decreased by 40%, which will be new mean is equal to old mean minus 40% of old mean, which means we're looking at 60% of 12, which is equal to 7.2. So basic calculations. Let's look at the next question. The next question says, question number 3. The mean of 6 numbers is 42. Formula we know is mean is equal to summation x upon n. So for 6 numbers, mean is 42. So 42 is equal to summation x upon 6, which means summation x for 6 numbers is 42 into 6, which is equal to 252. Perfect. So this is the sum of 6 numbers. If one number is excluded, the mean of the remaining numbers is 45. So when there are 5 numbers, right? So if you exclude one number, we are left with 5 numbers, which means n is equal to 5. The mean is 45. So 45 is equal to mean of 5 numbers upon 5, which means summation of x1 is equal to 45 into 5, which means the sum of 5 numbers is 225. Find the excluded number. Therefore, excluded number is equal to sum of 6 numbers minus sum of 5 numbers, which is 252 minus 225, which is equal to 27. That's the final answer. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 5. It says observations are given in ascending order. Median is 8. Find the value of x. Let's figure out how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n is equal to 9, which is odd. In this case, median is equal to 9 plus 1 upon 2th term, which is equal to basically the 5th term. In this case, this answer is 78, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is x plus 13, which means x plus 13 is equal to 78, which means x is equal to 78 minus 13. Therefore, x is equal to 65. So the value of x is 65. Simple question. Next, find mean and median of given data. Show that the sum of deviations from mean is 0. Let's calculate median first. It'll be easier. We just have to arrange it in ascending order. So 24, this is gone. Next is 25. Yes, we have a 25. Next is 26. Yes, there is a 27. No, there is a 28. Okay, is there a 30? Yes, there is a 30. In fact, there is one more 30, right? So next is 33. No, there is a 32. There is a 32. Next is 33. Next is 34. And next is 35. Perfect. So we have put it in ascending order. N in this case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N is 10, which means median will be equal to fifth term plus sixth term upon 2. So fifth term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 30. Sixth term is also 30, which means 30 plus 30 upon 2. Therefore, median is equal to 30. So we've calculated the one part of the question. We've calculated the median. Now let's look at calculating the mean. For mean, we'll have to add them up. So let's add 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 5, 29, 29 plus 3, 32, 32 plus 5, 37. So 7, 3 carry, 3, 6, 9, 11, 14, 16, 18, 21, 24, 27, 29. So the sum is summation of all numbers is 27. Median is summation of all numbers. Let me rewrite this. Summation of all numbers upon n. In this case, 297 upon 10, which is equal to 29.7. So therefore, mean is equal to 29.7. Right, we've solved this part of the question as well. Now they want us to calculate this sum of deviations, which means we're looking at 30 minus 29.7, which is 0.3. 32 minus 29.7, that's 2.3. 24 minus 29.7, that's negative 5.7. 34 minus 29.7, that's 4.3. 26 minus 29.7, that's negative 3.7. 28 minus 29.7, that's negative 1.7. 30 minus 29.7, that's 0.3. 35 minus 29.7, that's 5.3. 33 minus 29.7, that's 3.3. And 25 minus 29.7, that's negative 4.7. Now we need to show sum of x minus x bar. Let's calculate. So let's add the positive numbers first. Let me take some space here. So the positive numbers are 0.3, 2.3, 4.3. Next is 0.3, 5.3, 0.3, 5.3. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and another 3.3. So we have 6 numbers positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So this is 0.3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 18, 1, 3, 7, 10, 15. So the sum of positive numbers is 15.8. Let's look at the sum of negative numbers. Let's write this here. We have negative 5.7, negative 3.7, negative 1.7, negative 4.7. So 6 are positive and 4 are negative. So 7, that's 28, 2, 5, 7, 10, 11, 15. So this is negative 15.8, which is equal to 0. So we've been able to show that sum of deviations from mean is 0. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we have is question number 9. It says the mean is 11. We know mean is equal to sum of all numbers upon n. Find the mean of the first 3 observations. Let's add them first. This is 8 plus 2, 10, 6 plus 4, 10. So that's 20. 0 and 20. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x. So mean is equal to 5x plus 20 upon number of observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means mean is equal to x plus 4. Yes, that's correct. And this is given equal to 11, which means x is equal to 7. Let's read the question. Find the mean of the first three observations. So there is a tail to it. They just don't want us to calculate 7, which is the value of x. They want us to calculate the mean of the first three observations, which is 7, 9, and 11. Therefore, mean of first three observations is equal to 7 plus 9 plus 11 upon 3, which is equal to 9. So the final answer as per the question required is 9. Let's look at question number 11. It says mean weight of 60 students in a class is 40 kilogram. So there are a total of 60 students. Mean weight of boys is 50 kilogram. Mean weight of girls is 30 kilogram. Find the number of boys, number of girls. Let number of boys be equal to x and number of girls is equal to y. So one thing which we know already is x plus y is given equal to 60. That's an equation that we know. So total number of students is 60, and so we've been able to get the first equation. Mean of 60 students is 40 kilogram, which means for 60 students, mean is equal to the sum of weight of boys plus sum of weight of girls upon 60. Right? That's the total number of students. Mean is given as 40, which is equal to sum of weight of boys plus sum of weight of girls upon 60, which means 2400 is equal to sum of weight of boys plus sum of weight of girls. Yes, so we know that the total sum of the weights of the boys and girls put together should be 2400 kilogram. Now let's look at for boys separately. For boys, what is their total mean and the total sum of their weights? So mean for boys is equal to sum of weight of boys upon number of boys, which we've taken as x. Yes, so sum of weight of boys is equal to x into mean. In this case, the mean of boys is 50. Yes, so this is equal to 50x. Now let's look at for girls. For girls, we have mean of girls is equal to sum of weight of all the girls upon total number of girls. In this case, we've taken it as y. So mean of girls is 30, which is equal to sum of weight of girls upon y, which means sum of the weight of girls is equal to 30y. Let's put it equation 2. Let's put this equation 3. So from, and let's give this an equation a name as well. Let's call it equation 4 since we forgot to name it earlier. So from 2, 3 and 4, we get 50x plus 30y is equal to 2400, which is the sum of weight of all the students. Now we'll have to solve these two equations simultaneously. Let's multiply this with 50. So what we get is 50x plus 50y is equal to 60 into 50, that's 3000, and this is 50x plus 30y is equal to 2400. Let's subtract minus, minus, and minus. 50x minus 50x gets cancelled. 50 minus 30, that's 20y is equal to 600. Therefore, y is equal to 30. So the number of girls is 30. Put y is equal to 30 in equation 1 and we get x is equal to 30. So the number of boys is equal to number of girls, which is 30. Good. That brings me to the last question that I do with you from this exercise, which is question number 13. It says the heights in centimeter of the volleyball boys from team A and team B are given. Which team has the greater average height? Find the median as well. Let's first figure out the median. We'll need to put it in the ascending order. So this is 175. Next is 176. We have a 178. 179, no, we have a 180. Next we have a 181. Next we have 187. And in the end we have a 190. N in this case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, median is equal to 7 plus 1 upon 2, which is fourth term. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 180 centimeter. So the median height for team A is 180 centimeter. Next for team B, let's put it in ascending order. This is 174. Next is 175. There is a 177. There is a 178, 179, 185, and in the end 190. Again, n is equal to 7, which means median is equal to 7 plus 1 upon 2, which is fourth term, and that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Median is equal to 178 centimeter. 178 centimeter. So we've calculated the median of team A and team B. Now let's look at the mean. For that we'll have to add them up. So 8 plus 6, 14, 15, 20 and 27. 7 to carry. We have 2 plus 8, 10, 17, 24, 32, 41, 48, 50, 6, 6, 5 carry. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 1267. So summation x is equal to 1267. Mean will be equal to 1267 upon 7. That's the number of volleyball players. So that would be 7 into 1, 7, 56. So that's 7 into 8, 56. Remaining 7. So 181 centimeter. So median was 180, mean is 181. This is for team A. Next, for team B, we'll have to add them. This is 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 26, 33, 26 plus 5, 31, plus 7, 38. Let me reconfirm, I think I got confused. 9, 18, 26, 31, 38, 3, 3, 10, 17, 26, 33, 40, 48, 55, 5, 5 carry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1258. So summation x for team B is 1258, which means mean will be equal to 1258 upon 7, which will be 7 into 1, 7. That's 55. So 7 into 7, 49. That's 6, which is 68, which means 7 into 9, 63, 50, which means 7 into 7, 49, 10, which means 7 into 1. So that's 179.71 centimeter. So which team had the greater average height? Therefore, mean height of A is more than mean height of B, since 181 centimeter is more than 179.71 centimeter. Perfect. That brings me to an end of this exercise. I have marked a couple of homework questions. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. If you have any questions, feel free to write into me. Bye-bye.